Hi, my name is Mike Landry, whatever, and I'm going to teach you today just a little bit of Macromedia Flash. Just going to teach you some simple stuff. It'll take about a couple of minutes. It takes too long, well then I'll put it in two parts, but I'm not sure. So, open up Macromedia Flash Professional 8, or MX, or MX204, or CS3. CS2, CS1 if there's such thing. I use 8 because that's what I like using. MX2 and wait. Sorry for that. Okay, so start by creating a new Flash document, and I'll just be teaching you these simple little tools over here. Okay, that's about it. Not much. We'll start by the drawing tools, and there's 5 main drawing tools that you can use. There's coloring tools and erasing tools, but we'll start with the pencil. Pencil is a basic tool that you use to draw stuff, simple shapes, and you can change the color that you draw with. Mine's black default. You can change it to any color you like, or you can even try to find your own color. I'll put it red just to show you. If you think that line's too small, well, you can go here. This is your stroke height. You can change it to about 2, 3, 4, whatever. Well, let's put it 5. And it's fun, I think. Okay. Now press Ctrl Z if you want to erase everything you just messed up. This is your smoothing. If you put smoothing 0, that means when you draw, the line won't be smooth. If you put smoothing to about 20, it'll be smoother. It'll look smoother. If you put it to 50, which is where I usually put it, it'll look pretty good. If you put it to 100, you use the line that you want. Now press Ctrl Z to erase everything, or you can even hold it, but I like to press it. Okay. So solid, this is the way you'll like see your line being drawn out. If you put like this, your line will be separated like dust and stuff. This is good for some effects, I guess. You can change it to lines like that, squiggly little things, dots, little things like that. Hairline is just making it smaller. Solid is making it bigger, but it didn't work. You can change stuff. Custom. Thickness 8, I don't know. Zoom, no. Type, dotted. My phone's ringing. So stuff like that. That's what you can use with that. Okay. Then there's the brush tool, which is fun. You control the brush tool with the fill color. That's how you change the color. We'll make green. You can change the thickness of your brush here. We'll put it about here. You can change the shape of your brush, and this is when you have a Wacom pad. It's when you press harder, you'll get bigger strokes. Same thing with that, I guess. Don't worry about these right now because they're not very well. They're useful, but that's for later. Same thing with the smoothing, the draw, okay. That's the brush tool. Then there's the circle tool, which helps you make circle. You can use that to borders around it and stuff. Pretend you want to make one with like a cog or something. Take the circle, you can say you kind of made a cog. Boom, like that. It's not really cool, but yeah. Then there is the rectangle tool and the polystar tool, which makes you make triangles, or not triangles, squares, rings, whatever. You can change the corner radius, so put it at about 5. Shit, sorry. To make it there. Okay. Then if you go here, you see the polystar tool. Here it makes you make like I forgot what they're called, like hexagons or whatever. If you can tell me what they're called, I kind of forgot. Okay, just throw everything away. Okay, so those are the basic drawing tools. Oh yeah, the line tool is just to make lines. Okay. Okay, this is the free transform tool. So pretend you have a shape. You can select it with the free transform tool. You rotate it, you can copy this. You can even slant it unslanted. This is like 3D and stuff, I guess. I'm not there yet. I'm not good. Okay. Then pretend I have another circle. There is the selection tool, which you can select and move using your arrow keys or your mouse. Then there's the corner around it or whatever. Let's put a square just to show you, and a custom drawn shape too. Okay. So look, if you choose this, you can expand it and make different sorts of shapes with it. Close it, same with the poly. Same with your custom shapes, but don't use it with the paintbrush tool because I'm not trying to make shadows or stuff. Okay, so let's erase all that. Oh yeah, and then the erase tool I'll show you since I'm about to erase. Choose the size and the shape right here, and just come back. That everything inside the white square is what everything outside you're not unless you maximize it. This is the sub-selection tool. This is from complex drawings, I guess. Select it and all these little green dots appear, and you change each one of them. So there, I guess I kind of did, but not really. Okay. Lasso tool is if you select a certain part. You select a certain part, and then you can move that certain part or expand it and other stuff like that. Text tool is to write text. You can change your font. I'll teach you about different types of text in a different tutorial. Italic, just like Microsoft Word, so no big worry. Eyedropper tool is if you have a color that you like, okay, and then you lose that color and you're trying to find it, use the eyedropper tool and then your color is back. If you want it to be in the pencil, then you go to the pencil and then you do that, or you can just switch. Okay, and the fill bucket is you choose your color with the paint bucket little drawing, you can change it. Same with this thing. That's to change the outline. Okay, and pen tools. I don't like. I guess it's like lines and stuff. Yeah. So your basic tools, and yep. Thank you.